Hebei Rongxing Driving Equipment Technology Co. Ltd. is a professional R&D and manufacturer of couplings, cardan shafts, and gearboxes with a registered capital of 36.88 million. The company covers an area of 55 acres, with a production workshop of 12,000 square meters and 108 production equipment. With strong strengths, advanced technological process, and more than 20 years of manufacturing experience, the company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. It was recognized as a high-tech enterprise by Hebei Province Industry and Information Technology. It is a member unit of Transmission Connecting Parts of China Machinery General Parts Industry Association and has 8 utility model patent certificates.